These are titanium toggle bars that I use as clasps on bracelets. The goal is to rainbow anodize them. But they don't have very much surface area, so it happens very, very, very quickly. The less metal that's under the water, the quicker the reaction happens, so it's a bit of a finesse move to try and pull it out at the right speed. I'm definitely going to whiff the first few while I try to figure out the correct speed and how I want to hold them with the alligator clip. That last one wasn't bad, so let's try that speed. Oh, that was a much better hold with the clip. So what we're doing is we're trying to get a good range of colours from one end of the bar to the other. It's definitely a tricky move and one I don't get to practice very often. And that's why the first few are always rubbish. So now that I've got the speed down and I've got this whole batch pretty much done, we're going to anodize all those raw bits that are still showing. Watch closely at everything that's silver and you'll watch as it shifts from bronze to eggplant and then to a very dark indigo blue. For some of the pieces, they'll look pretty good, so we'll just keep them like that. But for others, you can see there's a very hard line where the color changed. I'm going to pick out the good ones, and then I'll see if I can bring that color up to a slightly brighter shade of blue on those, so the fade looks a little bit more natural. See, that's much nicer. Yes, we'll keep those. Okay, maybe just a little bit brighter. That one with the too much purple, that one's got to go. We've got to do something different with that one. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to salvage that. That's okay. But I think we're just going to do a halvesies on that one. Maybe I can bring the green up on this one by turning my machine a little bit brighter. That's good, but it's still that hard line with the gold isn't great. Let's try bringing the gold up. There's a lot of trial and error with anodizing. It never quite looks the way you think it's going to look, so you know what, sort it. We'll just bring it up to like purple, so it can be half purple and half blue-green. I sell a lot of those, so that'll work.